The Amazon cookbook has sold over 1 million copies, earned the New York Times bestseller status, won the James Beard Award, and multiple IACP Cookbook Awards. It's also available as a Netflix series. Written by Samin Nosrat, who has been declared America's next great cooking teacher by Alice Waters, this visionary masterclass in cooking will transform the way you prep, cook, and think about food. Nosrat distills decades of professional experience into just 4 simple elements: salt, fat, acid, and heat. Featuring over 100 recipes from Samin and more than 150 illustrations from acclaimed illustrator Wendy MacNaughton. This cookbook is an ambitious new approach to cooking in the tradition of the joy of cooking and how to cook everything. Samin Nosrat has taught everyone from professional chefs to middle school kids to author Michael Pollan to cook using her revolutionary, yet simple, philosophy. By mastering just 4 elements: salt, which enhances flavor; fat, which delivers flavor and generates texture; acid, which balances flavor; and heat, which ultimately determines the texture of food. Anything you cook will be delicious. Salt, fat, acid, heat explains the good cooking and will teach and inspire a new generation of cooks to confidently make better decisions in the kitchen and cook delicious meals with any ingredients, anywhere, at any time. Samin's journey from culinary novice to award-winning chef is reflected in the book's narrative, illustrated walkthroughs, and light-hearted approach to kitchen science. This cookbook demystifies the 4 elements of good cooking for everyone and bridges the gap between home and professional kitchens. The book features 100 essential recipes and dozens of variations to put the lessons into practice. You can make bright, balanced vinaigrettes, perfectly caramelized roast vegetables, tender braised meats, and light, flaky pastry doughs with confidence. Salt, fat, acid, heat is destined to be a classic and may even be the last cookbook you'll ever need. It has been named one of the best books of the year by NPR, BuzzFeed, The Washington Post, Chicago Tribune, Rachel Ray Everyday, San Francisco Chronicle, Elle.com, Glamour, Eater, Newsday, The Seattle Times, Tampa Bay Times, Tasting Table, Publishers Weekly, and more. The book includes a foreword by Michael Pollan.